guess my consistency game is getting stronger gradually. Today is a wonderful day and I feel like doing something productive with my day. I want to make some dresses for some dresses or a dress, either 2 or 1 depending on my schedule and all. Mostly for school, but I could also wear it to any other place because why not? I mean, it is my dress. So I am a fashion designer, right? But I am not like a professional fashion designer, like one who makes dresses as a career. I am just a fashion designer who loves to make her own dresses to my own taste, because in previous years I really haven't liked any dress that was made for me by any fashion designer or tailor. So I decided that I'm gonna learn it so I could be doing it myself. So why am I saying this? So you just expect any form of professionalism here. I mean, this is just me doing my thing for myself. I'm not doing it for anybody, I'm not doing it for any client. Doing how you see it, take it like that. So yes, I'm gonna be making a Flay skirt. I'm doing it mostly for school, right? So I don't have to make anything fitted or short. I'm gonna use this today for the outfits. I like the color and kind of dark brown. It's giving this cool, cool vibe. It's not shouting, so I like it for that. I guess it's gonna be good for my skin. Yeah. So let's get into this video. I'm not making it with a crop top to match with it. '" I just discovered that my black thread is finished, so I have to use some from this. I use either the black or just dark brown.
Three days later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one. One eternity later.
Hey guys, laziness is a very, very bad thing. You guys will not believe that from the time I started this video till now, I've been so lazy to continue. I already finished the dress. I even went to church and I have still not made this video. Thank God I'm doing it now. Yep. This is a crop top and this is the Flay skirt. Yeah, so let's get into the moment you guys have been waiting for. So let's see. Okay, so this is it. There is a change in plan. This video was meant to be making my own dresses, right? But my sister decided to give me work, so now I have to make her dress. And I guess I'm gonna make a video of that too. So guys, here is it. It has this cute net below. My mom was not sure when I wore this to church on Sunday. Doesn't mean I lost some weight, but that's not possible. The amount of food I've been eating, I'm not supposed to lose weight. So what do you guys think? I love this 2-piece because I could also use it to like have a change of look, change of outfit. I can go with this top and the trousers, or this skirts and a crop top. Let me see if I can make this full a bit. Yeah, you guys can see the fitting. It also comes with pockets. Yeah, I made them with pockets. Guess I am liking it. I'm liking the fitting, So that is all for this outfits. But I'm gonna make a video of me making out 3 looks with this outfits. This is the first, obviously. So the second and third look, we're trying the top with the trousers and trying the skirts with another top. Crop top or a top I just have to like tuck in. So yeah, I'm gonna make those videos after this, so you guys are just going to enjoy the rest of the video. Let me show you guys the fabric I am making my sister's dress with. So I'm just gonna show you guys a few clips of making her dress and of course the results. The fabric she gave to me, I've not even opened it yet, to make a particular style for her. I'm gonna show you guys the style. This is it. This is my church's Ankara for this, my church's harvest Ankara for this year. So she asked me to make a dress for her. I'm gonna show you guys the making of her dress, and if I have time to make mine also I will, and I'll include it in this video. But if I don't, so be it. Just gonna keep it till whenever I have chance. The fabric is giving some kind of oleku vibe that comes with this kind of Yoruba top or blouse, and then with the short wrapper you're gonna tie, and looks cute though, but it's not really my thing. You guys enjoy the rest of this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this outfit. Can you guys see me? I'm using the back camera. Yes, I can see you guys. I've been making this dress in quite a lazy way. It's just so small and I keep it until whenever. I'm almost done though. This is the back side. This is the front side. And this is the style. Wrap, some flay, padded, and yeah, I'm almost done. This is what it looks like. So it's remaining the sleeve. This is for the sleeve. The sleeve, I'm gonna do this like this. What do they call it now? Get us. We're alone in the house now, and I've been sleeping since morning. Don't think I've been sewing. I just joined the Flay now. That's basically what I did now. Not like I've been sewing since morning. Don't be deceived. Carry this thing since last week, and main thing is that it is moving. I sew it bit by bit daily and still making progress though. Shape it, just remaining the sleeve, and bias the Flay or I weave it. Since I've been making my own dresses, I cherish each and every dress I make, and each time I wear it I'll be like, whoa. School is resuming in less than 3 weeks. I'm gonna be posting this video quite late from the time I made it, because I've got about two videos to post before this one. So yeah, I'm gonna post this video quite late. After this video, the next video you guys are gonna be seeing is school, because I've gone back to school by then. There is that for that. That'll be all for now. See you guys later. Peace out.